Dear students, I am taking some questions from logarithmic differentiation from the exercise. Question number 11 from the exercise. Differentiate x cos x whole power x plus x sin x whole power 1 by x. Here the functions are in addition form, so we cannot take directly log. Log is taken directly in case when the functions left hand side and right hand side both are in some powers form or in multiplication form, and if in one side, then we consider the function and then take log. But if there is the difference of function or the sum of the function, we cannot take directly log. So we will take both the parts as u one part and v another part. So y becomes u plus v. Just you see here, u is x cos x whole power x and v is x sin x whole power 1 minus 1 upon x. Now you get y is equal to u plus v. Always we consider the given function as y in case of the logarithmic differentiation, or you can say in case of when we take log. So we consider it y is equal to u plus v. Now differentiating with respect to x both sides, what will happen? We are differentiating with respect to x, it means dy upon dx is equal to du upon dx plus dv upon dx, as y is equal to u plus v. Now we have u is one function and v is another function, so we will find du upon dx from u and dv upon dx from v, and then put the value in this equation number 1. So we get dy upon dx. Now the process for finding du upon dx. U is equal to x sin x, x cos x whole power x we have considered. Now here we can take log both sides because this is in power form only. So log u is equal to log x cos x whole power x. Now use the property of log. Log u is equal to x log x cos x, as log a power b is equal to b log a, and log a into b is equal to log a plus log b. These are the rules of log. So log u is equal to x cos x log x cos x, and it is in multiplication form within the bracket. So x log x bracket log x plus log cos x. Now we differentiate it with respect to x. D upon dx log u is equal to d upon dx x into log x plus log cos x. X is in multiplication form. So we have here the product of two functions, and their its differentiation will be by the product rule. Left hand side d upon dx of log. According to log, the differentiation is 1 upon the function. 1 upon function, 1 upon u, and u is not in terms of x, so you will write du upon dx by chain rule. And right hand side will be x into d upon dx of log x plus log cos x plus log x plus log cos x into d upon dx of x. So du upon dx is equal to you cross multiplying u, and now here after differentiation you get x, and differentiation of log x is 1 upon x, and differentiation of log cos x. Log cos x means first you find differentiation according to log. Log will give you 1 upon the function 1 upon cos x into d upon dx of cos x by chain rule, plus log x log cos x into d upon dx of x, that is 1. So d upon dx is equal to, put the value of u, that is x cos x whole power x, and solving it, multiplying x, so we get 1 plus 1 upon cos x into minus sin x, that is the differentiation of cos x, plus log x plus log cos x into 1 to log x plus log cos x. So d upon dx becomes x cos x whole power x bracket 1 minus tan x plus log x plus log cos x. This is the value of du upon dx in, and it will be put in equation first after finding dv upon dx. So now we have v is equal to x sin x whole power 1 upon x. We can take log here, so taking log both sides, we get log v is equal to log x sin x whole power 1 upon x. That means log v is equal to 1 upon x log x sin x. Here by the rule of logs, power comes ahead into multiplication form. So 1 upon x log x sin x, and log x into sin x, that will become log x plus log sin x. So it will become 1 upon x bracket log x plus log sin x. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get differentiation of log v, that is 1 upon v into dv upon dx, is equal to 1 upon x multiply the function. It means we have the product function in product form, so differentiation of multiplication will be applicable here. That means 1 upon x into differentiation of log x plus log sin x plus log x plus log sin x into differentiation of x power minus 1, that is 1 upon x. So we apply the rule, we get dv upon dx is equal to v cross multiplying, and now 1 upon x, differentiation of log x is 1 upon x, and differentiation of log sin x is 1 upon sin x into d upon dx of sin x, plus log x plus log sin x into differentiation of minus x power minus 1 is equal to minus x power minus 1 minus 1, that will become minus 1 upon x square. Thus we get dv upon dx is equal to v cross multiplying 1 upon x square plus cos x, differentiation of sin x is cos x, upon x sin x plus log x plus log sin x into minus 1 upon x square. So dv upon dx becomes x sin x whole power 1 upon x, that is the value of v, and after simplification we get 1 upon x square plus sin x upon cos x here it is cos x upon sin x, so it is not tan but it is cot x upon x, there is misprint, cot x upon x minus log x plus log sin x whole upon x square. So see here tan is not, it is cot. So now put these values in equation first. We have dy upon dx is du upon dx plus dv upon dx. Now put both the values of du upon dx from second and dv upon dx from third, we get the result. Now there is another form, which is question number 12. You have to find dy upon dx. In such questions, we are having two functions addition form and is equal to some result. So in power form, if two functions are added, we cannot take log directly. So we have the method. We consider one part of the given is equal to u and another part will be as v. So u is equal to x power y and v is equal to y power x. So we get u plus v is equal to 1. And if we differentiate it with respect to x, it means du upon dx plus dv upon dx is equal to d upon dx of 1. And 1 is the constant, so d upon dx of 1 is 0. So we get du upon dx plus dv upon dx is equal to 0. This is the equation, and you have to find the value of du upon dx and dv upon dx, and then put here. You will find after calculation dy upon dx. Here you have u is equal to x power y. This is in pure in power form, so we can take log both sides. So log u is equal to log x power y. So that means log u is equal to y log x by the rule of log. So differentiate both sides with respect to x. Differentiation of log u is equal to 1 upon u du upon dx. And now here y into log x, that is in product form. So differentiation is accordingly y into d upon dx of log x plus log x into d upon dx of y. So we get du upon dx is equal to cross multiplying u and differentiation of log x, that is 1 upon x y into 1 upon x plus log x into dy upon dx. Here y into 1 upon x. So that means here 1 upon x is not, it is y upon x. So du upon dx becomes, after putting the value of u, x power y into y upon x plus log x dy upon dx. So that will become y into x power y minus 1 plus x power y log x dy upon dx. So remember here is y also in the first term, y into x power y minus 1. You can calculate and see. Now find dv upon dx from v. V is equal to y power x. So taking log both sides, you get log v is equal to x log y. So differentiating with respect to x, d upon dx of log v is equal to d upon dx of x log y. X log y is in product form, so it becomes, first differentiate log v, that is 1 upon v dv upon dx is equal to x into differentiation of second function plus first function, second function into differentiation of first. So x d upon dx of log y plus log y d upon dx of x. So after cross multiplying v, we get dv upon dx is equal to v and differentiation of log y. So x into 1 upon y dy upon dx plus log y into dx upon dx, that is 1. So log y into 1. So we get dv upon dx is equal to, put the value of v, that is y power x, bracket x into 1 upon y dy upon dx plus log y. This is third. So from first, second and third means we put the value of du upon dx and dv upon dx in first. We get y into x power y minus 1 plus x power y log x dy upon dx plus y power x into 1 upon y dy upon dx plus log y is equal to 0. So separating the terms which are containing dy upon dx and which are without dy upon dx, now we get dy upon dx is equal to minus, here y is y x power y minus 1 plus y power x log y upon x power y log x plus x y power x minus 1. Now this is the result, and you can correct y in du upon dx. So in numerator y will be there, so correct it. Now next question is question number 15. It is in the form, power form, both sides. So you can take direct log. If the functions are in product form directly and in power form, then we can take log both sides. So here power form, so take log x power y is equal to log e power x minus y. That means y log x, by the rule of log, y log x is equal to x minus y log e. It is log e is 1 because we are taking every log with base e. Log base e has the differentiation of log x is equal to 1 upon x, and log e base e is equal to e. So log e base e is equal to e, so that is x power x minus y. So it becomes y log x is equal to x minus y. Differentiating both sides, we get d upon dx of y log x, that is d upon dx of x minus y also. So product root in left side, that is y into d upon dx log x plus log x into dy upon dx is equal to, and differentiation of x, that is 1 minus dy upon dx. So we get y into 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to minus log x minus 1 into dy upon dx, separating the terms which are having dy upon dx and without dy upon dx. So we get dy upon dx is equal to 1 minus y upon x whole upon 1 minus 1 plus log x. Now from first we can get the value of y, that is x into n x upon 1 plus log x. From above we can get the value of y, and then we can get y upon x also. Y upon x is equal to 1 upon 1 plus log x, and then we can get 1 minus y upon x. 1 minus y upon x is obtained by 1 minus 1 upon 1 plus log x. That will become, after calculation, log x upon 1 plus x log x. So put the value in second, we get dy upon dx is equal to log x upon 1 plus log x whole square. Now there are some practice questions. You can practice these. If you have difficulty, you may ask. And there are two extra questions. Differentiate log x base 10. If it is log x base e, then it is 1 upon x. but if it has different base than e, so we first change the base of the function by the rule of logarithm. So log x base 10 will become log x base e upon log 10 base e. log x कर दीजिए अपॉन log 10 लिख दीजिए, बेस ई दोनों में, इज इक्वल टू this log 10 base e is a constant quantity, so you can take it out, 1 upon log 10 base e into log x base e. Now there is rule of log 1 upon log a base b is equal to log b base a. We can interchange the bases and it will its inverse, the functions inverse also. So the 1 upon log 10 base e will become log e base 10. Bases are base and numbers are interchanged into log x base e. अब log x base e you can easily differentiate it. So what happen? Log 10 base e will come outside into d upon dx of log x base e, so that is 1 upon x. So result is log e base 10 into 1 upon x. This is the result. Now there is another type of question. Find dy upon dx if y is equal to under root sin x plus under root sin x plus under root sin x plus under root sin x dot 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 up to infinity. Here roots are inclusive, so it means y has infinite terms in addition form. So we can take 1 under root sin x plus, and if we subtract one quantity from infinite, we have also infinite. So it means you have under root sin plus under root sin plus under root sin plus under root sin up to infinity is again y. So it becomes y is equal to under root sin x plus y. Y is also within under root sin, right? Now squaring both sides, y is equal to under root sin x plus y. So squaring both sides, we get y square is equal to sin x plus y. Here y is also within square root, so squaring it, it becomes y square is equal to sin x plus y. Now you can differentiate it with respect to x. Differentiation of y square, that is with 2y into dy upon dx, and differentiation of sin x, that is cos x plus dy upon dx, differentiation of y. So now separate dy upon dx terms. So we can take common, 2y minus 1 dy upon dx is cos x. So dy upon dx is equal to cos x upon 2y minus 1. These types of these are the extra questions, and these types of questions you have to practice from extra books. These are not in your text, but these type of questions are asked in board papers, so we have to practice. Now practice all. That's all for today. Thank you.